Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, well be well. Keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited and you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet shoulder handbag designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to your pupil in the. If you like today videos and share it with to you friends and family members, you can many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. So I keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to comment box, and visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to did the work yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos. So viewers, please like my videos, good comment, please let me know comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful. Take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care.